This is the most important Bitcoin video you're ever going to watch. And no, that's not clickbait. The markets went totally red. Bitcoin prices dropped 12.5%. Ethereum has dropped 20%. What do we do, guys? I'm going to tell you guys today. Happy Thanksgiving. I am wearing camo today. I hope you guys can see me. But the thing is I would never do something ridiculous like wearing a turkey costume just for Thanksgiving. You guys keep that in mind. So here's the thing. Crypto markets dipped and they went down big time. Why? Well, let's talk about the why first. If there is a fundamental reason why, some people say there isn't, might be because Brian Amstrong from Coinbase has brought out the fact that the Trump administration could be making it where every time you send crypto, you have to verify who you're sending it to. The government wants the data on every wallet out there. Now, is this going to happen? I don't know. Is Brian Amstrong trying to FUD the market? He's done it before. A lot of people say the bear market in 2018 actually started when Brian Amstrong tweeted that XRP was not going on Coinbase in January of 2018. It was a detrimental day for the market. So is Coinbase trying to manipulate the price again? Is this a true story? Well, I don't know. But here's the thing, guys. Even if Coinbase does do that and U.S. sites have to, guess what? KuCoin ain't going to do it. Binance ain't going to do it if you still have a Binance account. Your individual wallets, you ain't got to do it on there. So you guys keep that in mind. Your hardware wallets, you ain't got to do that. But here's the thing, guys. You have to stay objective in the markets. I told you guys we were going to charge up towards all-time highs in November, would not hit them. The price was going to have a correction, a big pullback. I've been telling you guys that for months at the end of November. All-time highs in December. But what happened? We started getting really close to all-time highs, and we started thinking that suddenly that was going to happen. Even I started feeling that way. That's what the euphoria will do to you. That's what the depression will do to you in a bear market, the euphoria in a bull market. It'll make you get outside of what you know to be true. But what we've discovered is that we're following along with the last Bitcoin cycle almost exactly, okay? So we're having the pullback right now. How far is it going to pull back? Well, in 2017, or in December of 2016, Bitcoin challenged its previous all-time high. Some exchanges actually hit it, but most it didn't. What happened? The market pulled back 24%. Where are we sitting at right now? 12.5% decrease. If we hit a 20% decrease, if we were to go down to $15,000, that would be a 22% decrease, about exactly what we saw in 2016. Before January, the next month, charging up well over all-time highs. And when it hit all-time highs, it went way past them. So that's what I expect to see. December 23rd is my target date for Bitcoin all-time highs. The euphoria of this market made us feel like it was coming really close, but then it pulled back, just like I told you guys it would. Yeah, I'm also a victim to getting involved in the euphoria. But the most important thing is to remember objectively what you think the market is going to do and then make those actions. And yes, those things sometimes can change, but most of the time, Bitcoin always does what Bitcoin always does. Happy Thanksgiving, you turkeys. BitBoy out. Wait, forgot. Be thankful. Be blessed. BitBoy out.